I chose my career in healthcare because I enjoy helping people.
I watched a soap opera called General Hospital, and I thought nursing was going to be just like that soap opera. And it's been nothing like that. The piece that the TV shows don't show you is you get to have an impact on these patients, because in our situation, we're their lifeline.
I became sick myself and saw how that affected me. And so in my 30s, I decided to enter the nursing field. It was like, oh, this is what I should have been doing all along.
I had two friends that we did everything together, and they wanted to go apply to nursing school, so I just went with them. Well, I got in, and they didn't. I'll never forget my mom saying, Jerry, you are going to nurse school. If you don't like it, then you can do something else. Can't imagine doing anything else.
I've seen a lot of family members kind of go into the care facility or in the hospital. I just loved that whole taking care of somebody.
When I was in 8th grade, my grandpa was diagnosed with lung cancer. And I just remember how the nurses took such good care of him. And that's when I decided I wanted to be a nurse.
PCI is unique because it's got multiple different specialties within one building. And I've had a lot of comments mentioned to me from patients saying that it was really nice to have their lab done here, and then their x-ray or CT scan or ultrasound, and then come over to the office and then have all the results there on the same day.
The hours are very flexible. I don't have to do weekends, which is really nice. I can still spend time with my kids. It's very manageable to be able to work here and raise a family.
We all have a voice, and everyone listens to everyone else's voice.
I really, truly believe that PCI is all about employees having time for their family. My mother recently passed away from cancer, and it was a tough thing to handle. But I had the PCI family, and I had people step up so I could be next to her and give her the care that she needed.
It's all one close area, and everybody's in there. Let's just try and get these patients taken care of.
We all care for each other. We're able to, to step up and help people.
If you truly want to make a difference, if that's why you became a nurse, then PCI, there's so many opportunities to do that. In any department you work in, you can make a difference.